Producer AI Review. Is it a legit AI music generator? So what it claims to be is it lets creator generate musics automatically using AI where you can pick the genre style, beats, the vocals, and maybe melodies. So it helps people without musical training make tracks quickly. So why is it good? Well, it offers versions with free trials, free tier, limited features plus paid tiers. For full access as well, it has a lot of features, which is useful for content creators, social media, background music, and etc. And it may include options like choosing the mood, the style, the tempo, and possibly some voice selection. Although it comes with some downsides. The quality and the originality has some issues. There are also some inconsistency, and the cost versus value doesn't add up, and many features are locked behind the paywalls. And there are some copyright and licensing concerns. And they also have customer service and refunds issues. So overall, is it legit or not? Well, it's partly legit and it can produce music, but for some, it's not a magic solution for high-end music production or fully replacing humans. So it can produce music and many users find it useful for simple tasks.